To facilitate assembly, apply suitable lubricant to the thread and cone of the connecting piece of the cutting ring. Guide the end of the tube up to the system into the screwed connection piece. Now tighten the union nut by hand. The individual components are then moved onto the contact surface. VOSS recommends making markings on the union nut and the tube to check the stipulated tightening path. Now tighten the union nut. Tighten the union nut with approximately 1 1/4 turns, but at least 1 to a maximum of 1 1/2 turns. During assembly, the screw socket needs to be held with a wrench. Attention! Each screw socket may only be used once for one initial assembly. A visual inspection is mandatory after each pre-assembly. To do this, loosen the union nut and check the raised part of the collar. The cutting face must be at least 80% covered. The cutting ring is allowed to rotate on the tube. Check the molded seal for possible damage and replace if necessary. Remove any soiling before final assembly.